Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Ring doorbell account security and shared access, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify the security of your Ring doorbell account, start by logging into the Ring app on your device. Navigate to the main dashboard displayed on your screen. Tap on the menu icon in the top left corner of the app. Select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Look for options related to two-factor authentication or security settings. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code sent to your phone or email during login. Next, check if you have a strong and unique password. If necessary, change your password to something more secure. Return to the Account Settings menu and find the option for Shared Users. Here, you can view who has access to your Ring doorbell. Review the list carefully to ensure only authorized individuals have access. To remove unwanted shared users, tap on their name and select the option to remove access. Consider adding trusted family members or friends if needed. Next, review your device's privacy settings. Ensure that your motion alerts and notifications are configured to your preference. Regularly check the app for any security updates or breaches. Stay informed about the latest security features released by Ring. If you suspect any unauthorized access, consider resetting your device and changing your password immediately. Finally, regularly monitor your account for any unusual activity or login attempts. By following these steps, you can help ensure your Ring doorbell account remains secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.